Hey guys, 2020 is about to end. Yes, the year some of us have hated like no other. Some of us have lost our precious ones to COVID. Some of us have lost our jobs, while some of us are just dreading the deadly virus. Haven't we all started to realize that this Christmas and New Year will be like no other? But to be honest, none of them are. Every year is special and unique in its own way. This year, we are amidst a pandemic. Circumstances are different. We are not with our family and friends. Some of us are in countries under lockdown, so no gifts, no dinners outside, no traveling, which we once looked so forward to. Some of us have even given up on the thought of the celebration. Sad. What if I told you you can still celebrate and cherish the festive season and remember 2020 for some good things too? We are going to end this year on a very positive note. Keeping a positive attitude makes a big difference on how we feel. Do you remember Theodore Roosevelt's famous saying, "Do what you can with what you have, where you are"? Exactly, that's what we are going to do. What can you do? Well, let me share a few things that will help you end 2020 on a positive note. Decorate your home for the occasion. When you decorate your environment, even if it's in the simplest manner, you can lift the holiday spirit in you as well as the people around you. You'll not only feel positive, you'll also spread positivity. So don't delay, don't procrastinate. The sooner you start, the better you'll feel. This will also serve as a reminder that all's well that ends well. Create new traditions for these new circumstances. Festive occasions are the moments for us to get away from our busy lives and enjoy by forgetting our concerns and worries. This year, you can create new holiday traditions with your immediate family members, close friends, or even the neighbors. Give them the time that they deserve. Just make sure that the safety guidelines are being followed by everyone. If you can't send a card to your loved ones, send them an e-card. If you can't give presents yourself, send them online. Let the e-commerce companies deliver it for you. Bake cookies and cakes with all your family members. The family that bakes together stays together. I know visiting friends is a distant dream this year, so why not invite them to your place via internet? Have a Zoom call. After all, isn't it the thought of being with our loved ones that matters the most, physically or virtually? Consider doing something different than usual. This is a great time to try something new. Connect with something bigger than yourself. Find a cause that you believe in. If you have a skill, teach it online to the needy, free of charge. If you have some money to spare, order some goodies online and get them delivered to orphanage or old age homes. Join an activity group. What are your interests? Find groups and communities online related to your interests. Join them, learn things together. Express gratitude. Well, not in this time, but all year round. We should practice gratitude. Be grateful for the smallest things. Try it. You'll feel so good. Expressing gratitude allows us to focus on the positive things in our life. It makes us feel grateful for what we have rather than regretting over what we don't have. If you don't have your loved ones around you, call them. Tell them you're thankful to them for anything they did for you or just for their existence in your life. Life always gives us two options: take it or leave it, stick to it or move on, learn from it or regret what happened, be afraid to do something or take it as a challenge and show life what you're capable of. You have to choose one between the two. Choose wisely. Communicate other feelings with your loved ones. Talking to your family and friends via internet or in real can help you feel less lonely. If you have any grudges or had an unfortunate incident with someone in the past, talk to them. This is the time to heal. When you share something that's bothering you, you let go of a heavy weight. If you want to share your dreams and goals with someone, do it. Let them know you'll feel accountable, and who knows, maybe they'll give you ideas to achieve your goals faster. Anything that you've been wanting to say since long, just say it. Yes, if you want to propose the girl or boy you've been wanting to, this is the time. The best time to do anything is now. Self-care. Your thoughts and feelings are connected to your overall physical health. The more you take care of your body, the more you will feel happy and empowered to take care of yourself. Take rest. Follow a healthy diet. Stay hydrated. Have hot water baths. Practice deep breathing. Meditate. Practice yoga. Sing. Dance. Read books. Do whatever that makes you happy. Doing what you love can distract you from thoughts of loneliness and make you feel more at ease. Be kind and gentle to yourself. Acknowledge your emotions. Consider journaling. Regularly writing down your thoughts will help you process your emotions instead of avoiding or denying your feelings. Accept them as they are. And lastly, avoid comparing this year to your previous years. Each year and each holiday season is unique on its own. Avoid getting caught up in comparing it to the past. Focus on what you can do to make things better in the present. Set your sights on things that seem possible rather than dwelling what you wish it would be. Focus on the things that you can control, including your own hygiene and plans that make you feel safest. See, there's still so much that can be done. This year can end beautifully too. Just be positive and stay positive. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very happy 2021.